Welcome to the Canna Talk Power Hour, hosted by Bills by Connection. Today we are going to be talking about, are you a 100% disabled veteran? If so, let's continue. If you're a 100% disabled veteran and you're wanting to get that beautiful discounted rate for your state fee through your state cannabis or medical marijuana authority, you have to do the following. Now, excuse me. Per your state's cannabis authority, you are required to have a document showing proof of the 100% military disability from within the last 6 months. Or I've seen them use the 100% disabled veteran card issued by the military. Now, these documents must be clear and readable. If they are blurry, your state cannabis authority will reject that document. So please be sure to have the correct document dated within the last 6 months. So you can get that beautiful discounted fee, like in Oklahoma. If you're a 100% disabled veteran, your state fee is $22.50 instead of $104.30. So please make sure these documents, if you want to use that status, to be clear and readable when enlarged. Now, if you're needing more assistance, you can text me and my name is Carolyn, you can text me at 918-521-9349 or go to our website, www.billsbyconnection.com, and use the appointment scheduler there, and I will be happy to call you back to answer any questions you may have. I want to say thank you for your service, and I believe that every veteran deserves to have that discounted state fee, no matter what their status is, but it is their policy. It's only 100% disabled veteran. Stay tuned for our next episode for Bills by Connection services. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to our podcast. You get notifications when a new episode comes out.